If you want to know how to check your orders and shopping activity on Instagram with full details, let me show you how. So first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. Now tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. And now from the settings and activity page, you just have to scroll all the way down and select orders and payments. Here you will see multiple options from the cart icon. You can check the items you have added to your cart. And using the menu options, you can also view your shop accounts, cart, and the product you have already purchased or received. And now from this Meta Pay option, under transaction, you can see all your pendings and completed payments or any kind of activity like shopping, donating, or transferring money will appear here. In the Manage section, you can add or update your payment methods, link accounts, and edit your shipping address with emails and phone number. You can also manage options like credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and shipping information. And that's how you can find your orders and shopping activity on Instagram. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.